Okay everyone, today I'm making a sign for a friend of ours. She requested it for some friends of hers, and she just wanted it to be a basic MDF sign that's going to be black and the wood color. It's going to actually be the opposite of what you see here. This will be black inside and wood on the outside, with the black around the total outside edge. So we started off here in Adobe Illustrator making the design, and going to run into AutoCAD Fusion for the 3D model here. I'm not showing how I do that. Lots of YouTube videos about that already. So we'll go from here. I'm gonna send this design, send the G code to my CNC machine, and then we'll get going. Okay, and here's the finished product. Again, just use MDF on this, 3/4 inch MDF with matte or flat black spray paint. It does have a coat of matte clear coat just to protect the MDF since it's kind of absorbent. And the back is just straight MDF. It's gonna be hanging on the wall, so not too concerned about that. And just get a little bit of a close up here. You can kind of see there's a little bit of shine to the black where the clear is. It's not completely dry yet. And again, thanks for watching. Please like if you enjoyed the video. And as always, if you like some of my other videos, you might go ahead and subscribe. Try not to put too many videos out, but if I do something cool, I like to share it. So thanks for watching.